How to fix Facebook memories not working. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Facebook memories not working problem on your phone. So if your Facebook memories aren't showing up or loading properly, just follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on Apps, then choose Manage Apps. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook, and once it appears, tap on it. Next, go to Storage, and here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache. This will remove all the temporary files that could be causing the issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or posts, it just resets the app's temporary files. Once that's done, go back and open the Play Store. Search for Facebook. If you see an update available, make sure to update the app to the latest version. After the update is complete, go ahead and restart your phone. Just power it off and turn it back on again. Now, open Facebook and go to your Memories section to check if everything's working properly. And that's it. Your Facebook Memories not working issue should now be completely fixed. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this one.